Another very important component to create an alkalized environment in your body and to prevent inflammation is to make a green drink on a daily basis. It's inexpensive, it's very easy to do. This is a cold press Breville juicer that I got at Bed Bath & Beyond. I think it was $179, used my 20% coupon, so it was about $159. There's one that's less money than this, and I think there's one that goes up to about $400. This is all you need, and then you need to be able to get hold of preferably some good organic vegetables. So the recipe for this is organic red bell pepper, organic kale, and it could be dinosaur kale or red kale or green kale, organic broccoli spears, and dandelion greens. I've also added some organic carrots into the mix because I felt that it gave it a good flavor. This is one of the easiest things that you can do on a daily basis to improve your health. You're improving your health by reducing inflammation. The American diet, the standard American diet, that acronym is SAD because people are very inflamed. So I see patients that come into my office, they're in pain. They're in pain because they're inflamed. And you're inflamed because of the diet that you eat. If you wake up in the morning the next day and your back is really hurting you or your neck is really hurting you, it's a very good possibility that something you ate the day prior was extremely inflammatory. This is the best alkalizing thing that I can tell you to put into your body. When your body goes from being acidic to alkalized, you're reducing your risk of cancer, you're reducing your risk of viruses, you're reducing your risk of mold, and reducing your risk of yeast. So alkalization is the easiest thing to do in your body. So I'm going to show you how easy this is. The juicer is very powerful, all right? And all you got to do is just throw some vegetables in. So I'm going to throw some carrots in. Organic red bell pepper. Now if you want, you can shut it off for a sec. Throw some broccoli in. This is red kale. Just fold it up. You can see how beautiful it is. Super antioxidant, anti-cancer, very powerful liver detoxification support nutrient. Okay. Last but not least, some beautiful dandelion greens. Very powerful as an antioxidant. If you look at elephants, apes, what do they eat? They're eating leaves, they're eating plants. They don't get cancer, they don't get heart disease, they don't get viruses, they live a long time, and they're not fat. They're not fat because they eat leaves. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you think about it, if you were to go to a market and have a green drink every day, it wouldn't be as fresh as this. You're going to spend $9, $10. So you think about it, after about 15, 20 times of using the machine, it's paid for itself. Buy organic, so you're not exposed to all the insecticides, the pesticides, and the herbicides, which, regardless of what the government will tell you, do cause cancer. And let's have this drink. In summary, I'd like to explain what we just did. In my professional opinion, this is the easiest thing that you can do to prolong longevity, increase your risk of not getting sick. People get sick because they become inflamed. People become sick because they're acidic. This is extremely alkalizing and extremely anti-inflammatory. I took organic vegetables, red bell pepper, organic red kale, organic dandelion greens, and organic broccoli sprouts. I put them through a Breville juicer. It's a cold pressed juicer, so it comes out nice and cool. There's no pulp. It's just really the healthy, antioxidant, nutrient dense drink. If you can do this once a day, it'll really add years to your life and life to years. My suggestion to you is you drink it within 10-15 minutes. You don't want to make a big container and then store it for the week, because as soon as it gets exposed to light and oxygen, it starts to become oxidized and it starts to lose a lot of its nutritional properties. Share it with your family, share it with your children. You can take the pulp that's there, you can put it in, give it to your animals, you can put it out in your garden. It'll work really great. You can actually use it as also fertilizer for your plants. It's live food, helps things grow. Most important, it really prevents your body from developing cancer cells, from developing viruses, mold, infections, bacteria. You'll feel so much better once you start to do this. And in combination with spinal decompression, one of the best things that you need to do on a regular basis is to reduce inflammation. The seed milk, which we showed on a previous video, and the green drink could do that for you, add years to your life and life to your years, and really reduce inflammation, which is the #1 cause of all cause mortality.